is our property located in Ogden on Sam Gates Road. This is a single family home. Got a 2-car garage, fully fenced yard. Alright, we're just going to go through the front door here. This is an excellent home. It's got a bright open floor plan. This is a single level, so anyone that doesn't like stairs, this would be a perfect home for you. So through the front door, we do have our closet here just to the right. Again, bright, open. We've got vaulted ceilings. Nice neutral paint color. Got the dining room right here. Here's our kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Family room again from this angle. I'll try and get through this sliding glass door to show the yard really quick. Of course, it's snowing today, so a lot here. I'm just trying to get. Okay. So this is our yard. Again, fully fenced yard. Nice patio here. Nice, cool, mature landscaping. That's the back of the house. Nice, big, full trees back here. Lots of shade. Okay, so again, our kitchen, stainless steel appliances. We'll just come here to the left of the kitchen. We've got bedroom number 1. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Here's our main bathroom. Nice tile floors. We'll just catch the pantry here while we're in the hallway. Lots of storage. Then we got bedroom number 2 here. And we've got a second pantry right here in the hall. So plenty of storage in the kitchen. Just behind the kitchen we have the laundry room. It's got washer and dryer hookups. And this leads to the garage here. Nice 2-car garage. And then we will catch the master bedroom here. Again, nice, bright, open ceiling fan in here. We've got the bathroom here, the ensuite, tile flooring. Get a good shot of the shower here. And we've got some storage here as well. Alright, so that is the full floor plan of this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Ogden. Oh, let me catch this closet here in the master really quick. Nice big walk-in closet. So if you're interested in this home, you can apply for it on our website at nvpm.com. That's envypm.com. Click on rental search and you can submit your application there.